Myforex funds have just announced that they removed the limited trading days. There are no more limiting traders now. They have now moved like FTMO and the funded trader with unlimited trading days. So you can take as many days as you wish, as you like, meaning that you will not rush. You will take your time to complete the challenge and verification phase. So, yeah, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dangani once again. I'm back with another video. So, I'm just giving you an update of my forex funds. Uh, they removed the maximum days or the time limit for you to complete your challenge or your verification days. So, as you can see here, it is no more there. It was here, the maximum days that you can take, the limited days that you can take for you to pass the challenge, but it's no more there. So now they put up the minimum days, minimum trading days. Minimum trading days, as you can see here, I'm on their website now. I'm not lying. That is something that I also received an email from them regarding the no time limit update. As you can see, guys, here are the challenges, guys. So my forex fund is the cheapest one, along with the smart prop trader. So my forex funds now, as you can see, here are the prices here now. For you now to receive a discount on every challenge that you can buy, to receive a discount of 5%, use my coupon code. Use the link in the video description, and then you receive a discount like this one is 49. This 5k challenge is 49 US dollar. So you won't pay if you use my link and my discount coupon code. You will not pay this amount. You will pay less than this amount. All these challenges, guys, you will receive a discount of 5% of every challenge that you purchase. Use my discount coupon code and a link in the video description, guys. So this is all I have. This is all I have. So they, as you can see, they are over all drawdown. Forex funds have a overall drawdown of 12% and a profit target of 80% in phase one. So they are good, guys. They are good. They are one of the best. I've heard a lot of people saying and talking about their slippage, but my forex fund is the best. It's one of the best firm traders in the world currently. So guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below so that you won't miss out in my next upload, guys. Hit on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future uploads, guys. If you have any questions regarding what I'm saying now or forex trading in general, guys, drop your comments in the video section, guys. In the comment section, guys, if you have any questions regarding what I'm saying now. So join our free Telegram group. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. So yeah, guys, this is all I have, guys. So bye, guys.